Hey guys, welcome back to another Formaloo video. Today we're going to be going through chatbots. So, did you know that actually 88% of customers have reported using a chatbot just last year? That's kind of insane to think about and kind of just shows the prominence and the effect of chatbots in our society today. In fact, you've probably actually used a chatbot yourself, whether it was a good experience or a bad experience. And trust me, I've had my fair share of bad experiences with chatbots, but chatbots are actually super crucial for a lot of businesses, and when used correctly, they can be super helpful for businesses' growth and efficiency. Not all chatbots are obviously miserable, and so many companies actually experience a lot of money saving and time saving due to chatbots, as they don't need to hire additional customer service agents, and customer service agents can actually focus on the more complex customer questions rather than just the basic routine questions, which is super helpful for their career growth as well. And I think chatbots are super helpful because, well, they don't sleep, and luckily they respond to a large number of people simultaneously. So they can respond to anyone from anywhere in the world at any time. Just super good for companies that are scaling up or growing internationally. And with all these benefits, it's kind of a no-brainer why so many companies use them despite the negative connotation that it may sometimes have. And so today I'm going to show you actually how to make an effective one that your customers actually fall in love with rather than hate, and how you can create your own using Formaloo super easy with just a few clicks. Let's get into it. Alrighty, so here we are on the dashboard. This should appear once you click on one of our templates. Once you select template to make your chatbot based out of, you'll see a template that looks similar to this, an app with all the responses, charts and insights, and statuses. So these are all automatically created for you, which is really cool on the app. And so if you want to change the chatbot, all you have to do is click edit base, and here you go. You can change the standard. It kind of looks like a standard form to how you'd normally do it on a survey, for example. It's the same questions and everything, except this time you can put it in a chatbot type of style. So it's a familiar layout while still giving you the power of chatbots. So obviously you can put a title to the chatbot, create a description if you want to, and then here are the fields that you can ask for. So for example, one of the common field types you can do is multiple choice. Another one you can do is kind of they can enter their own name. So for example, if they need to enter their name or email address, they need to do that. You can also add whatever questions you want, whatever fields you need to kind of help guide your customer through problems they may have. Maybe put up some common questions or common categories that they might ask, so you can kind of they can click through with multiple choice and they can just pick whichever one kind of suits them the best. And so here's the real cool part about Formaloo is how you get the chatbot. So actually what you do is click on the share button right here, and you can click on embed and chatbot. It's pretty cool. You can click left or right. Let's just do right for now because I'm a right-handed person. And so here we go. Click on the chatbot button and you'll see that the field here gets transferred to here. So let's just put in some random text. For example, let's just say some random email, formaloo@gmail.com, right? And then contact number gives us this, and it also gives us options right here. So you can also change the text color as well if you want, but it gives us options right here where you can click on the different options. So for example, I had 3 options. What color scheme are you interested in? This chatbot kind of helps with product recommendation. There's a variety of chatbots that you can do and use to suit your company's needs. And here you go. And then it bases off of that. And you get the gist of it, right? And once you're done with the chatbot, once you're satisfied with the chatbot, all you have to do is click get code right here. And it's copy the clipboard. And now you can just paste the code onto your website or whatever, onto your HTML, which is super easy, super quick. And that's pretty much it. Super fast, super quick. No BS. That's your chatbot. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.